Isuzu Glass was founded over 120 years ago, originally as a manufacturer of glass buttons. We began manufacturing aspheric lenses in 1969 and expanded into lens array production in 1993. Over the years, we have continued to develop many innovative optical products. Our optical glass products serve a broad range of applications, including laser protective eyewear, projectors, endoscopes, semiconductor exposure equipment, and many others. We provide both in-house glass melting and precision molding capabilities. We are one of the few manufacturers of optical glass in Japan. Isuzu Glass also supports small volume material production and offers glass test melting using a small furnace. Once feasibility has been confirmed through testing, we can proceed with large volume melting using full-scale production furnaces. After annealing, the glass is transferred to polishing, coating, or other post-processing as required. In addition to our products, we provide custom glass melting services. We support even small lots from 100 grams and can offer prototype melting. Isuzu Glass's molded lens manufacturing process includes softening, molding, and annealing equipment, and we also support mass production. In the softening furnace, the glass is heated to its softening point. The softened glass is press molded using a metal mold. The glass is then transferred to the annealing furnace, followed by polishing or coating as post-processing steps. Our automated production systems ensure stable output and reliable quality control. Operating on a 24-hour production system, we can manufacture up to 4,800 pieces per day. In cases where mechanical molding is challenging because of size or complex geometry, including double-sided molded components, we apply alternative manufacturing processes. Once annealing is completed, the glass advances to polishing or coating in the post-processing stage. Backed by our expertise in manufacturing thousands of lens types, we deliver tailored optical design and advanced simulation services to meet specific customer requirements. A beam expander is an optical system designed to enlarge the diameter of a collimated laser beam while reducing its divergence. It is primarily used in optical equipment such as laser processing machines, optical communication systems, microscopes, and telescopes. A TIR, total internal reflection lens, efficiently collects and redirects light from a source to achieve high optical efficiency. This minimizes light loss and increases lighting efficiency. An optical system using a lens array can homogenize laser light. It is commonly integrated into optical systems, including projectors, head-up displays, and 3D printers. F-theta lenses are used when scanning a laser beam with devices such as galvanometer mirrors. They are mainly used in optical equipment for laser marking, cutting, and similar processing applications. Some customers require a moldable glass material that efficiently transmits deep UV light. To address this requirement, we developed the IHU-250H, a UV transmitting filter designed for deep UV applications. IHU-250H is compatible with standard processing temperatures used for conventional glass materials. We offer a wide range of shapes, such as block materials, ingots, rods, and ball lenses, and are also capable of producing integrated lens arrays. Isuzu Glass has technologies for both glass melting and molding, enabling us to make our distinctive, highly functional glass products. IHU 250H transmits UV light, offers excellent weather resistance, and is suitable for molding. It is the optimal glass material for exposure equipment that utilizes UV light. IHU 250H is also suitable for UV LED cover glass and other equipment that utilizes UV light. Both surfaces of a double-sided molded lens are formed simultaneously, eliminating the need for bonding. Multiple lenses can be produced by molding large format glass blanks and then dicing them into individual pieces. Their non-bonded structure makes these lenses suitable for high-power light sources. In addition, we supply lenses optimized for performance in the ultraviolet region. Our molding capabilities accommodate a wide range of thicknesses, from 2.5 millimeters up to 15 millimeters. By using a double-sided lens array, light can be uniformly irradiated in a top hat profile. In projectors, two lenses have conventionally been used. However, by adopting a double-sided molded lens, the same function can now be achieved with a single lens. The reduced number of components provides cost benefits. Alignment work for two lenses is no longer required. Integrated molding achieves high precision, with axis deviation controlled within plus-minus 0.05 millimeters. Here are some application examples. The IOP series opal diffusing glass uniformly diffuses incident light and exhibits characteristics similar to a Lambertian light source. It provides higher diffusion than ground glass. The irradiation range of ground glass varies depending on the angle of incidence. Because the IOP series opal diffusing glass exhibits angle-independent diffusion characteristics, its light distribution remains uniform, regardless of the incident angle. This enables the IOP series opal diffusing glass to deliver highly uniform diffusion across a wide illumination range. One feature of this glass is that its spectral transmittance can be controlled by adjusting its thickness. Here are some application examples. Isuzu Glass serves customers globally, shipping products both within Japan and overseas. We build trust worldwide by utilizing environmentally compliant materials and ensuring our products conform to international standards, including the RoHS Directive and the REACH regulation.